Dear students, greetings to all. Today I want to discuss some tricky questions in IUPAC nomenclature which is already given in the NEET or JEE previous examinations. So the first question is that you can see this is the structure and you have to find out the name of this structure. So here the priority start from the halogen. So you can give numbering either from this direction or this direction, but if you give the numbering from this direction, this substitution also get the lowest number. So you always prefers to give the substitution lowest number. So 1 2 3 4th carbon you have the ethyl. So one is the fluoro, another one is the nitro, third one is the ethyl. So if you write the name in alphabetical order, so you can write it as a 4 ethyl, 1 fluoro, 2 nitro, benzene, okay. Next question. A compound with molecular formula C6H14 has 2 tertiary carbons. Its IUPAC name. So compound with molecular formula C6H14. So there are 2 tertiary carbon atoms are there in the structure. So first of all you should know what is tertiary carbon. In methane, 3 hydrogens which are replaced by 3 alkyl groups or 3 aryl groups. Such carbons are called as a tertiary carbons. For example, this is the tertiary carbon. Okay. So here you can see that C6H14 molecular formula, there are 2 tertiary carbon atoms are there. First we will try to write that where we can get in the molecular formula C6H14, where we can get the 2 tertiary carbon atoms. So CH3, and here. So now you can see that total number of carbon atoms 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atoms are there, C6, and 3 hydrogens, and here 3 6 9 12 13 14. So C6H14 is there. So you can see that here in these 3 hydrogens in the methane, it is replaced by 3 alkyl groups 1 2 3. So this is the tertiary carbon, and here also this hydrogen I will put here. So here also there is one hydrogen replaced, another hydrogen is replaced, and third hydrogen also replaced. So this is one tertiary carbon and this is one tertiary carbon. So you can give the structure like this you can give, and now you can find out the name, IUPAC name. 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms are there, and the second and third carbon you have the 2 methyl groups. So 2 2 dimethyl butane, 2 2 dimethyl butane, sorry, 2 3 dimethyl butane, 2 3 dimethyl butane. Okay. So another question you can see here, there is a CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2O, CH2, CH3. So this is called as a ethers. So this is the ether, and here to give the name, IUPAC name, you have to select the longest carbon chain as a parent chain and the smallest carbon chain you have to treat as a substitution. So this side you have the 4 carbon atoms and this side you have 2 carbon atoms. So these you have to take it as a substitution followed by a root word. So this is called ethoxy butane. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there. Ethoxy butane. This is ethoxy butane. Now another compound. So here there is a double bond and there is a triple bond. You have to select longest carbon chain which includes the functional group as well as substitution. So double bond is greater priority than the triple bond. So double bond you have to take it as a functional group and triple bond you have to consider as a substitution. So both should be included in the parent chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon atoms are there, and if you consider this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So both sides you have the 7 carbon atoms, but we need to include the triple bond also in the parent chain. So you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So and the third carbon comma fifth carbon you have 2 methyl groups, so dimethyl, and you have at fourth carbon propyl group, so 4 propyl. So total 7 carbons are there. Hept 2 in 1 ine, 6 ine. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ine. Okay. So the last one you can see here, there are double bond. There is a double bond. The double bond is should get the lowest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atoms are there, and when you are giving the name, you have to give that third carbon you have the methyl group, and fourth carbon you have the bromo substitution. So alphabetical order if you follow, 4 bromo, 3 methyl, 4 bromo, 3 methyl, 3 methyl. So you have the pent, you have pent 2 ene, pent 2 ene. So 4 bromo 3 methyl pent 2 ene. I hope you understood. If you understand, please support, like, share, subscribe, follow for the more videos. Thank you.